Hello. Thanks for joining us again on the channel. I've always been curious about this one, and now that a friend picked one up, we can finally talk about it. His experience, start to finish. Quick note before we begin. There's a discount link in the description and the top comment if you want to check it out. Now, let's not waste any more time and jump right into the details.
Now, let's hear directly from our first reviewer about their experience.
This reviewer describes their experience with this gaming monitor as a mix of impressive performance and significant frustration. The OLED panel itself is the main draw, delivering incredibly vibrant visuals with a high level of HDR brightness that really stands out. A major plus for our reviewer was the minimal automatic dimming. Unlike other displays, it doesn't aggressively darken static images, making it almost unnoticeable in normal use. They also found the practical features to be well implemented, from the versatile KVM switch and USB-C video input to the convenience of a built-in USB hub and a stand that was simple to set up. However, getting the display to look its best was a considerable challenge. The client recommends using the native HDR calibration tool in your operating system, as the monitor's own color adjustment settings are buggy and difficult to manage. The user interface feels unpolished, with typos on every menu page, and the built-in RGB lighting is disappointing. Furthermore, the audio output from the headphone jack is exceptionally poor, producing quiet, distant sound with no bass. The journey to even acquire this monitor was an adventure. After researching various OLED options and being put off by issues in competing products, our reviewer found this model, which seemed to offer a superior feature set for a very competitive price. Frustratingly, they encountered major shipping restrictions that prevented delivery to their home. Undeterred, they orchestrated a multi-hour road trip just to retrieve the package from a neighboring region, a testament to how appealing the on-paper specs were. Ultimately, this client feels the hardware is nearly perfect but is held back by flawed software. They express a strong hope for a future firmware update, believing it could resolve these annoyances and elevate the product from a good value with quirks to an absolutely top-tier display.
Fantastic. Now, let's see what insights our next reviewer has to offer.
This reviewer initially had a pretty rough start with this monitor. The core functionality, like the advertised refresh rate, seemed fine, but immediately out of the box there were very noticeable lines appearing on gray and whitish backgrounds. One of these lines was uncomfortably close to the center of the screen, making it distracting even during simple tasks like writing. Our reviewer suspected the shipping process might have played a role. The packaging felt inadequate, with the monitor box rattling around inside a much larger shipping box. This client felt that for the price point they expected a more premium unboxing experience. It was also surprising that the box didn't include a power adapter suitable for U-style plugs. Initially, our reviewer was considering returning the monitor. However, after running a pixel cleaning program found on YouTube for a couple of hours, the lines miraculously disappeared. Since then, the monitor has been performing well, with the reviewer periodically running the pixel cleaner to maintain its performance. Due to this initial hiccup but eventual resolution, the reviewer's initial impression improved significantly.
Great! Now let's see what our next reviewer has to say about their experience.
This reviewer wanted to share their experience with this monitor. Overall, it's been a really impressive piece of tech. The visuals are just stunning, with colors that really pop and blacks that are incredibly deep. The contrast is also fantastic, making everything on screen look sharp and defined. Beyond the picture quality, the design is something to appreciate. It's sleek and modern, and the thin bezels really help to make the image feel immersive. If you're a gamer, you'll especially appreciate the refresh rate, which makes gameplay feel incredibly smooth and responsive. There wasn't any noticeable lag or blurring, even during fast-paced action. The user experience is also excellent. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and it's simple to customize the settings to your liking. This client found it a pleasure to use this monitor. For anyone looking for a high-end display that combines top-notch performance with a stylish design, this monitor is definitely worth considering. It's a premium choice that will elevate your viewing and gaming experience.
If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit subscribe for more. Got thoughts? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.